Right, here we go then with another one. We're on Shining Tor today, the Goyt Valley. So let's do it. Yeah, so that's Errwood Hall, built in the 1830s that was, by Samuel Grimshaw. There used to be like a coal mine, school, pub. It's like 2,000 acres around here, a real proper community, until the reservoir was built. So lasted about 100 years apparently, till the 1930s, and then was abandoned. Yeah, so that behind's like a shrine that was built by the Grimshaw family that owned the estate. He was a servant who worked here, and they really took to her and loved her to bits, and they built a shrine for her. So that shrine was built by the Grimshaw family, just behind there. This is the summit of Cats Tor. Doesn't look like there's a trig point, but on the map this is the summit of Cats Tor now, about 60 feet lower than Shining Tor apparently. Wind's picking up a bit anyway, but we're on Shining Tor today in the Goyt Valley, and Shining Tor is the highest point in Cheshire. It's slightly over the border from Derbyshire, falls into Cheshire, so Shining Tor is actually in Cheshire. It's the highest peak in Cheshire. So over in the distance there, that's Shotling Slough, which is known as the Matterhorn of the Peak District. And the pyramid shape in the background there, Shotling Slough. Just heading down from the summit of Shining Tor now. Couldn't really get the drone out on the summit. Wind's really picked up, it's got cold, so got a bit of footage earlier on, so at least I got some in the end. So just heading down from Shining Tor to apparently home to a lot of merlins and red grouse, sorry. Well known breeding ground for them kind of birds. Coming up to 6 miles now. This is a quote. And we remember the summer. Well, that's it then, all done with another one, and topped it off nicely courtesy of Gibbo. That was Shining Tor. Peace, see you next time. Yeah, so apparently a lot of wild bilberries grow along here, but unfortunately not come across any yet. So apparently on Shining Tor and around this area, the Goyt Valley, there's a lot of breeding birds, but unfortunately it's not the kind of breeding birds that we're after. Look lovely, don't they, when they're bigger, man? Yeah. And the trees. That's just a snippet for the end.